Hey guys, it's MJ here with another short keyboard video for you. And first of all, thanks for stopping by. I hope you find the video entertaining and interesting. Today's video is about the Drop control. This here is a high-profile purple version of it. I bought this as a bare bones kit on drop.com at a reasonably discounted price. It's pretty good value. The sound signature originally out of the box is a little bit pingy and it doesn't sound very refined, and the stabs aren't great out of the box. So what I want to do is I want to show you that, show you the sound signature out of the box, as well as do some mods to it and show you the sound signature after those mods. So the idea here is to have something that's a little bit thocky. The switches are Boba U4Ts, and I'll just jump straight into the sound signatures, and I'll give you some additional comments at the end. Well, and there you go. That is a sound comparison between the stock Drop Control high profile against the very same keyboard with the tape mod, some foam, and after switching the stabilizers over to Drop Phantom stabs. So as you can see, the difference is quite astounding. The pitch became a lot lower, the vibrations a lot more under control. What I'll do in the future is I'll post a time-lapse of the whole process. But in the meantime, this gives you an idea of what you can expect from a Drop Control high profile in terms of sound signature. Switches on both tests, the switches were Boba U4Ts, which are reasonably thocky. They're pretty thocky. And the keycaps, they're Godspeed Aries MT3 keycaps. This is just the base kit. And the nice thing with those is that they're actually PBT. In case you don't know, most of the MT3 keycaps are ABS, but these are actually MT3, and you can get them from drop.com. Anyway, I hope this was useful for you. For me, that's all for now. Hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you soon.